Hey, I'm back today with my 2009 GMC Sierra, and I've been having a lot of trouble lately with the seat switch. It's got power seats, and what's been going on is the back and forth hasn't been working. Right now, of course, it's going to work a little bit. It's working today, but the up and down does not work at all. Tilt, all that stuff. So back and forth works, but well, there, it's not working. Kind of intermittent, but we're going to replace that switch today. It's a pretty simple fix, doesn't take long at all, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop these three things off. So mine's got a manual tilt, some have the power tilt. What I'm going to do is pop this off, and the switch cover, and this lumbar adjustment to that knob. They're all three going to have to pop out of there. I'm going to use a tool like this. You can use a little pry bar, something that, you know, it's not too aggressive, but still going to get the job done. I'm going to start with this one right here. Get a little separation there, and that one came off exceptionally easy. And then the switch cover, same concept, just a little pry out of there. There we go. See a lot of crud built up in there. And then this guy. There we go. Pretty simple. And up in the front, there is a screw. We're going to use a 7mm socket on that and get him out of there. Try to pop this cover off. Now, I've never had this off. It's held on by a few clips in there. It's all the farther I need to go. I don't want to, well, just let me take it out like that. But I think I'll leave it just like that. I don't want to mess with it with the seatbelt and everything is in there. So here's my switch. Should probably check out the switch I got. I got this on eBay. I think it cost me $16 all in. And I have not even opened this yet either. Looks like the same thing we got right down here. All right, so what I found, it's not too difficult, is I just used my pry bar, got right in here at the top of this, working it a little bit and pulling this out, and I got it loose on the top. All right, I got this done now. I got it out, but I had the top pried out, so it's just about out. And I used the pry bar on the bottom too. Just got some separation and able to completely free this switch. Now I got to remove the harness here, the wires. I was thinking I would be able to remove this wiring harness while it was in place, but it is pretty hard because now once it's out, you have access to this inside piece. Press down on this tab right here and then it disconnects. Press down on this tab right here. There it is. So there's the two side by side. Yeah, you can just see all the crap that's been spilled in there or whatever. Pretty nasty. They just wear out over time. Let's go ahead and snap her back in. And should just lock right in place. There it is. Bottom. There's the top. Good to go. Tilt's working again. And the front and back. Perfect. All right, now we just gotta put everything back in. Gonna find where all the clips go. Not much to it. Just press on. There it is. That was the last one. I'll put that screw back in now. And we'll just put these back in. I'm going to clean that out. I'm going to take it inside and scrub it up, and then I'll stick it back on. All right, got that looking much better now. I'm going to go ahead and stick it on. Looks like it's universal. Doesn't matter what's up and what's down. Snap, snap. We're in business. Love it. So, pretty easy fix. All you do is remove these three things, remove the screw in the front, and then just pry this out. You don't have to take it all the way out, just so you can get access to the switch inside. And then use some sort of tool, just kind of get a little bit of space in there. The top and the bottom, just get a little space where these grooves are, these snaps are. Separate that, press down on the tab, pull the wire out, and then just do it back in reverse. So hopefully this video helped you out and you don't have any more power seat switch problems. Most vehicles are similar to what I did. They're not all the same, but a lot of them, they have the same concept basically. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Later.